let's give you a quick update on the big political story that's breaking at this moment. Even as the Pilot versus Gehlot battle has continued in court, now we are told that Ashok Gehlot has decided to go ahead and call an assembly session as early as Monday. That's right, Ashok Gehlot now wants an assembly session to test his strength on the floor of the House. Ashok Gehlot earlier today during a press conference said that all Congress MLAs were united in his support and he had a majority. Remember, the Rajasthan High Court will decide tomorrow on Sachin Pilot and his MLA's plea against a disqualification notice that was issued by the Speaker CP Joshi tomorrow. So it appears that Ashok Gehlot has decided to bite the bullet and call for an assembly session now as early as possible. Devankur Wadhawa is joining us, our reporter in Jaipur. Devankur, it seems that Ashok Gehlot has decided that the longer he waits, things will get more difficult. He, according to sources, is suggesting that he wants an assembly session as early as Monday.
Well, Rajdeep, Ashok Gehlot over the past 3 days has held lengthy deliberations with all the present MLAs at the Fairmont Hotel. And during those deliberations, it was, the conclusion that was arrived at was that the sooner a floor test happens, the better it is to tide over the present political crisis which is prevailing in Rajasthan. The reason behind that, Rajdeep, is that the party feels that it has a majority, albeit it's a wafer-thin majority, but it has a majority to show for in the assembly. And if that is done, the MLAs from the rebel camp can be forced to return to be present during the floor test. And if they do not vote for the Congress and for the leadership of Ashok Gehlot, then they can automatically be disqualified, or that can be a valid ground for the Congress to press for their disqualification, which will bring down the numbers of the MLAs in the Legislative Assembly, thereby helping Ashok Gehlot to prove his majority. Secondly, also, Rajdeep, what the Gehlot camp feels is that if a short assembly session is called for, then these MLAs who are currently camping in Haryana, Manesar, NCR can make their return to Jaipur, to Rajasthan. And if that happens, then at least 5 to 6 MLAs from that camp can be weaned away and brought back to the Gehlot camp. So that is the strategy. And also, Rajdeep, tomorrow the Rajasthan High Court will be deciding the petition filed by the Pilot Group, and Gehlot camp is hoping for a favorable verdict in that. Rajdeep?
Well, that is uncertain what kind of verdict will come, but clearly Ashok Gehlot seems to have decided to bite the bullet and go in for an assembly session. Remember, most observers believe he only has a razor-thin majority of about 2 MLAs at the moment. So Ashok Gehlot seems to be going for broke now. The longer he waits, the more time he gives the Pilot camp along with the BJP to topple his government. We'll wait and see what happens tomorrow there in Jaipur.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.